Just let your tongue out, that's all I need.
Hey, check that out. This is also hers too. She drives a Harley Davidson. This 1957 Volkswagen Bug. It's been fully restored. I think it's a 36 or a 38 horse, I don't remember. She'll tell you in a second. How many horsepower is your engine?
36 plus.
Plus because it's been modified?
Yeah.
But it is the original 36 horsepower engine with twin carbs on it. Fancy.
I think the cylinders were bored out or something.
You're bored. This is Virginia's bike. And this is my bike. We just put a new battery in it, so we're gonna see if it starts first.
Yeah.
I'm getting in. So, first mistake that I make every time I get in here is that I reach for a seatbelt, and there was no seatbelts in 1957, so you didn't have to add any. So we're living on the edge because there's no seatbelts. Full power! We're not going very fast.
30 miles an hour.
This is random. What's going on here? It's waving to us.
Hi.
Hello. So I can't explain the feeling right now of a bug hug.
It's a bug hug, yeah.
Because the seat has like, imagine your mattress and it's like, it seems like it's twice that thick. And it just like, you just get in there. The padding is so thick on this chair. That's a crotch shot if I've ever seen one. But like, this much padding on the seat and just springs. It's a kitty cat. And it's a manual. She can drive manuals.
Yeah.
AC? Okay.
Manual AC though.
Hey, that guy just looked at us. One thing I've noticed very quickly about this car is you get more looks in this car than I do in my Supra when I used to drive it on the streets.
It's because it's a classic.
You're a classic. Speeding!
What do you mean? That's like 70 in a 60 zone.
Yeah, that's speeding. You literally just said the definition of speeding. 70 in a 60 zone.
I give you a little bit of leeway. Come on. Don't be a pussy.
Those speed limits were made for modern cars.
That's right. No seatbelts, no speed limit.
Yeah. Check this out.
It's my bumpers.
Why is the sunlight fucking me? Look at that.
It's got a chihuahua.
The funny thing is you have roof racks that hold luggage like that too. Actually, your luggage is right there. We're getting ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Oh, beach, get out the way.
Do you guys prefer Dairy Queen or McDonald's for ice cream? That's what I thought. Hey. And
Hi.
look where we went.
Dairy Queen.
Yeah. If you chose McDonald's,
You wrong.
you a fat American.
That's rude.
It's the truth. What you getting?
Ice cream.
Obviously, we're at Dairy Queen.
No, I could have got food instead. Cheesecake, that's what I'm getting. Oh my god.
Is that a blizzard?
I think there was a bug in my eye. Did you record that?
Maybe.
They have summer berry cheesecake. That's what I'm getting.
Is that a sundae? That's what I'm getting.
I think I ordered the mini thinking it was like the snack size.
You done fucked up.
I think it was the snack size one, but I think it's like really tiny.
You know what else is snack size?
My pussy. Kyle turned it off all the right moments.
Yeah. To continue that last clip, I pointed at her vagina, and she said my pussy, and
Well,
then
snack size, and then I said like his dick. Snack size.
my pride.
Oh, that's perfect size.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Aww. It's real peanut buttery. You completely angle parked like wrong though.
What do you mean?
You're supposed to be facing the other way for angle parking.
I don't care.
So let's see if it restarts now. Hey!
Yeah.
It sounds strong. We're gonna go get me some buttons, cause for example, these pants, I don't have a button.
It's from me ripping them off.
Yeah, she just keeps ripping my clothing off. It's not that I'm getting fat or anything. They have a machine just for Kyle here at Walmart.
Yeah, they do. Look at two.
It's a Kyle machine. We gotta get salt. We ran out and I had to eat my potatoes with no salt. Imagine that.
You went to the store earlier. You could have got some.
Yeah, that was after we ate potatoes.
No,
Right.
you went to the store before because you got
Right.
potatoes.
I don't fucking know.
Out of wiener. And this one for my baby.
No, show me. How to Train Your Dragon.
My baby's gonna love it.
They got a 69. Don't tell me what to do.
Come on, Nella.
I don't want no cheap buttons though. I want fancy buttons. I want all my pants to have these buttons right here.
They look like earrings from the 80s.
Assorted buttons? Okay.
What do you want? Or they've got, let's see.
This one says Jilly on it. Made in heaven. Are you
What?
a Jilly? Because you were made in heaven.
Oh, what about these brown buttons?
Oh, what are these buttons?
Is that what you want? Can I pick what color goes on your pants?
Sure.
They have your Zero Ultra.
Hey.
They had your other kind. Why did you get
I'm
that?
Kyle. I'm a bust your drywall. Did you just say I should get a black one? I needs it?
Just in case I needs it. Expensive.
First thing I did was reach for my seatbelt again. Let's go. Come on, Buggy. I started it. I keep forgetting like how heavy the brakes are in this thing because once I get out of my car, you barely have to press them to stop. I'm scared like people are gonna pull out and then smash me when I don't have airbags or seatbelt.
Yeah. You're so cool with your arm out the window.
Like a biker. Didn't even use my other arm. I'm going real fast. It says 60. It gets real wavy up at 60. It might be crazy cat people.
Maybe.
There's another one behind you.
Alfie's hiding.
There's another one somewhere else. Corvette. Why wouldn't I, right? GT350R, GT350, and the coolest thing here is the four-wheel drive MC. Rev that engine.
Wow, wow. I just followed these guys. Where are we going?
Yeah, we'll go out here and then up the hill.
This nigga's sick, man. I didn't even notice it.
Shit, you got a 2JZ in that?
This ain't no shit.
Oh shit! 70!
Jesus, the black smoke.
That's Tokyo. So we're gonna see how much the buggy weighs.
How?
When we go in here, there's a platform and you go just park on top of it. Right there on the ground, that big square. We'll just park on top of it.
Is that pounds?
900 kilos with both of us in it.
Kilos.
So 900 times 2.2.
No bogey.
Where's your car, dickhead?
You took that motherfucker to Gapplebee's. Where's your car, dickhead? Touche.
1,980 pounds with both of us in it.
And you're like 700 pounds because
Yeah.
you go to the gym.
I'll put my hoodie on.
We should also probably should have brought bug spray, just saying.
Yeah, bug spray would have been nice. Someone's probably gonna have some. That's Eric in his R33. Right, sir?
You said carbon fiber wrap fenders, bro.
2-step. 1-step. Okay, Dominic Toretto. The mosquitoes are so bad.
They so bad. Suck it up to your face. Just let your tongue out, that's all I need.
Whip these yourself. Be like that G35 kid.
Hey, shift on.
What?
Oh.
Whip these, I dare you.
Ted,
You won't let me.
It's a little bitch ass intercooler, Jesse. What's up with your little bitch ass intercooler? That's the difference between 4 cylinders and 6 cylinders.
Oh, I ain't really looking at it.
Did that make your pussy wet?
I was scared, I ran away.
You didn't get wet?
No.
You don't like skits? What about you? Did that make your pussy wet?
I got no pussy. What?
Wet pussy? Do you get a wet pussy from that?
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
I mean, the pink flamingo probably says it all. Skid racers!
Ah! Where's your car, dickhead?
You did it backwards.
Ah, whatever.
I was gonna say it to you.
No.
Hey, we're making an exit.
Peace easy, get that V.
You would. Just ruined the outro now. I guess I just gotta show my V now. See ya! Oh yeah, we're on vacation right now as I'm uploading this, so...
What? No, we're not.
Yes, we are! We're gonna be on vacation when I upload this.
Okay, you think it's gonna start now?
I don't know. Let me see if it starts. Hey! Must be the money!
Must be the money.